Well, I'm confused. So, when we look here, this has a shallower lip than here. Okay, down here is the bearing. So when we look at this seal, boy oh boy, look at that seal, the lip. Okay, be patient. You see that lip? See its thickness? See that? It's thicker. This matches the bearing surface, okay? That inner part of the race. This matches. This side is a thinner lip. So when you place it on the bearing, it'll engage the bearing surface. It'll leave grease in here. So it must be pressed in with this thick lip down. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. This has taken me a while. Part of it comes from watching this video, which I'm not going to leave a link for. And he's going to flip this bearing over, seal.
Right here, made it.
Sorry. See how that's thicker? That's the surface I'm trying to show you. He pressed these bearings out earlier, the bearing and the seals out earlier. Now he's pressing them back in. So we watch him do that. But he's not very good at it. He's worse than what I'm doing here. So this has to press in that way with this thinner lip facing us. Okay, now let's go back to the manual. So the thin lip is going down. Both sides have a spring, that's the spring. But now it shows pressing the water seal in with its lip up. That's what it's showing. But that's not what he shows, and it's not what makes sense, right? You would think that once this is installed, they would be like this, right, with this up. But it's not showing that. The manual is showing this. Let's go back to the manual. The manual shows pressing the water seal in this way. This is the engine case, right? The bearing is down here. And then you're going to press this seal 020 further past the lip of the case. I can't. So this is where I am. Alright, so that's what he shows as he installs it, which corresponds to this, right? This. And that's the concave part. Alright, so this is where I'm at, and it conflicts with the manual. So the photographs are very bad. It's hard to see what's going on here. This is our diagram, which I can't come to terms with. This is telling us how to press in a seal. You're welcome to read here. Okay, it's telling me to put grease on both sides of the water seal, which you can't do, but you could do to the oil seal. So we're going to press it in. It'll touch the bearing. It's great. Press the bearing right out with almost no pressure. So now I'm going to have to use bearing seal because that shouldn't have happened. And if you try to press it in from the other way, or the other side, it won't feel the same. Alright, so now you press that outer seal in and it'll go in by hand. And it says, the manual says 020 for the seat. Okay, so again, that fatter lip goes up against the bearing, and when you press that seal in, it feels different when you try to install it incorrectly. Okay, this impeller has a washer. Make sure you have the washer on there. And then this will go on there, okay? Don't leave the washer off.